Don't mind the dishes, but
Sleepover part, I don't know. But
bruh.
we're having some kitchen conundrum right now.
Oh, sorry. My
And,
brother turned this on and left everything in here.
Literally everything's just sitting in the oven, and we just preheated it too, so great. And Latawny's weird dog is like jumping me right now, or trying to. I don't know what it's doing, but yeah, you know how it goes. So we got some cookie dough. Guys, fun story. So I went to Target by myself, right? And I didn't want to get jumped. But when I was walking out, these people were like arguing hecka loud in the store. I was so scared. I was like practically running out of there. I hope they didn't think I stole these. I didn't steal them. But I was just scared for my life. So yeah. We got the cookies in. Putting them in. I promised I helped. I know it didn't look like I helped, but I did. Oh, shoot. Break the table. It's okay, though.
Okay.
And then this is Latawny's weird dog. Say hi. Coco. Say hi. See? Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna wait.
Yep.
Oh, my phone is so blurry. Next day, we are in Sacramento, and yeah, we're gonna be shopping. I also brought my guitar. I did some practice run.
Head north on 3rd Street toward J Street.
My mom's dropping us off, and then we're just gonna go hang out.
14 minutes to...
We just got food, and we also went to the small boutique. And guess how much she almost spent? Almost another $100. Then she put something back.
Yeah. I almost spent $89 on 3 things. And so then I took off the skirt, and it was only $56.
It made such a big
Tell me why it was that much. Like, what the heck?
And tell me why there's like 2 hot guys right behind us. It was super good.
I should have asked them to cut it.
Dude, try the onion rings. Really so fun. Hey y'all, we went to Macy's. Our bags are there. But we also went to go get ice cream. So. Okay, y'all, before you see this next clip, I just wanted to make sure y'all see that she did give me permission to put this next clip in.
But where are you gonna go? You want me to just go there?
No. Like, no, like, I want you to find a place, please.
Yes, I will try. Okay.
Wait, just go down there.
Please stop laughing.
Because one day you can get like that, then what? I'm gonna tell him a story about you.
Stop, Latawny, you're making it worse.
Now I'm gonna pee my pants. Stop! Mom, stop, because you break that I almost peed myself.
What are you gonna do?
Continue on I-5 for 2 miles.
We're gonna try to find Kaylee on my hand, Kaylee.
Why? Just talk to her so she can...
Okay, Kaylee, so let's have an interview. Who is the funniest person you know?
Obviously not.
In your family? Immediate family?
In my family?
Immediate family.
Immediate family. Cameron's like hecka funny. He's like a natural comedian. So, like, yeah. Really
How is he doing? Is he...
He's Bro, I ran so fast. Oh my gosh! Guys, I ran so fast into that door, I didn't even shut it. I'm not lying. I didn't.
There was like told me we're in there. I didn't even do that. I just put a secret, but I didn't squat in that thing. We are now at the church. We're doing sound check, and the next couple of clips you're going to see are just clips from the concert. If you want to see all of the full songs, so let me know and let me know.
In And Romans says that we know he loves us. Because even when we were dead in our sins, he died for us. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible.
Okay, I'm gonna write this down. But this song is just talking about how us as humans, sometimes we don't realize it, or maybe you do, that you're just so broken and you're hurting and you're looking for something and you've tried everything. And in this song, you will find out what the answer is. So pay attention to the words.
Woo!
I'm broken, I'm hurting, but I don't admit it. Looking, I'm searching, almost like you can't find it. Fit in, and it's just talking about how you try to fit into the world and you just try all these different things, but nothing ever helps you.
Man, come on, Mom.
Everybody can stand up for this one and clap your hands. Turn your flashlights on if you want. Try to fit into the world right now. They say, boy, you're hard, you'll make them proud. Hey, it's now I'm on to it. I just feel so useless. Try to fill my heart with all these guys.
I go by the name of Christ that lead me from Stockton to a I'm just gonna make up a name. This little wit right here. This is okay. DJ. Listen up close to the words. If you want to know what it's about, you just gotta listen. You can turn it way up. Listen close. Tell me what you gotta say. Tell me what's the reason you really wanna pray. And tell me you really believe in all that you say when you really just makes you feel like it feel right, don't it? And if you really want it, you can don't it. Yeah.
Hey, did you pay that? You such an internet, try to find out you.
Get up a little bit one time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to comment down below if you want to hear the full rap and both of the full songs. And I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget, Jesus is coming back, so be ready.